Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create pop-up tags in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add tags to my project. So I'm going to click on the tags and then select default text, and I'm just going to type in pop-up text like this guys, and you can change the font if you want. Go to the font and select the font that you like, and after that we're going to apply animation to this text. We can go to the animation and then you need to select the in animation, and here you will be able to find pop-up pop-up animation for your text. This one guys, this animation is free, and then you can customize the duration right here, and you will be able to select the direction. Let's try it one by one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create pop-up tags in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.